Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube video on how to make homemade chicken nachos. Please like, subscribe, and enjoy.
We're gonna put the chicken to cook first. We're making chicken nachos. And let's see how it comes out. So this I cleaned it earlier. And I'm gonna put some garlic and salt, pepper. I'm gonna get the ingredients right now so that we can start making it. All right, so for the chicken, I have it here cooking. I'm gonna leave the chicken for a while so that it can cook really nicely. So I put olive oil. I put my olive oil in this bottle. I find it easier to squeeze out. So we're gonna put salt, pepper, garlic that I make at home, and oregano. So I like to grind up the oregano. So all of this, we're gonna put it in the pan. My husband is outside, so that's why I'm recording today. And then I'll be mixing it up. Yep. So for the chicken nachos, this is all I like to put. I don't like to add anything else because I think it gives it enough flavor. I mean, you can if you want for yourself. If you have other spices that you like, feel free to add them. Okay, so the chicken has been cooking for about 25-30 minutes. So it's already done. So I'm going to shred the chicken now. I actually have a KitchenAid stand. Before, when I didn't have one, I just used to do like this until it was shredded. You guys can do this as well. But, you know, since I have the KitchenAid stand now, it makes it easier. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to bring it over. Okay, so I have put the chicken in the KitchenAid stand mixer container. I'm gonna put it in here now. It should lock in place. And now I'm gonna put this piece over it. It's supposed to be like a splatter proof, I guess. All right, and now we'll just watch it get mixed up. It's pretty amazing. Look, you see that? It's pretty good. And then in like seconds, you can have shredded chicken. I like to put it quick so that it can go fast. All right, you guys see all that shredded chicken? That's amazing. Okay, now we're gonna prepare the nachos. We're gonna use these white corn tortilla chips with sea salt. And then we have all the ingredients here. We have jalapenos, tomatoes, 2 plum tomatoes. You can use as many or as little as you want. We have a little bit of parsley here. This will go on the top at the end. Some Goya black beans. You can use any type of beans you want. It doesn't have to be Goya. And you can even do brown beans. I have corn here. So for the corn, make sure you use whole kernel corn, not the cream one, the whole kernel. And here we have black olives that are already sliced. We use this brand. And again, the chicken's there. We're good. That's going to be in between the layers. And we have Mexican cheese here, 2-pack. I mean, we'll see what we use, but these are the ingredients so far. And I like to line the pan with parchment paper so that the chips don't get stuck to the bottom. And I'll show you how we do it. So we're just going to layer the chips now. Right now I put some on the pan. Anywhere you see a space, you can go ahead and put a chip on there. So, you know, there's no empty spaces. I'm just going to grab more and put more chips anywhere I see an empty space. So let's see. So first, a little bit of the bean. We sprinkle it on there. Okay, then we're gonna sprinkle some corn on here. I just grab it, sprinkle it everywhere. Oops, a corn fell in the olives, but that's okay. Let's see. So nice that looks. Now some olives. So this is the first layer. Okay. Okay, so now we're gonna grab our cheese and we're gonna sprinkle some on top. You can put as much or as little as you like. Now we're just putting the chicken over the nachos. You want to make sure that it's an even distribution, like put it around anywhere there may be a space. And you want to save enough for your second layer. Okay, and this is the second layer on the nachos. It looks amazing, and we're just gonna put it now in the oven.
I want some.
I have the oven set at 475. We're just gonna put it in for about 15 to 20 minutes.
And we'll let you know how it comes out.
Yeah, my husband's back. He was out.
Yeah, this looks delicious.
All right, we'll show you the result. All right, so this is the final result of the nachos. It just came out of the oven, 15 minutes. And look how good this looks. And let's taste it. Wow, this is incredible.
Oh, that is great.
All right, and you can make this a vegetarian version. Just don't add the chicken if you have family members that are vegetarian. All right, hope you enjoy. Let us know what you think about them, okay? All right, see you later.